Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal Christmas tree. So what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. These are clear crystal pendants from Efavormart. And you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're going to need either silver or gold Bling Wrap. And I picked these up at Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these taper candle holders. You may be able to find at Dollar Tree a 4-inch cone like this. This is a 7-inch cone from Michael's, but I have seen 4-inch cones at Dollar Tree, so you may be able to find one at your local Dollar Tree. If not, you can use construction paper to make a cone. So you can do that. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, didn't this glam crystal Christmas tree turn out absolutely beautifully, you guys? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.